Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and trying, not even reviewing, but kind of like giving a first impressions on a lot of stuff that I have gotten recently that I actually unboxed on my live the other day. So I'm going to go ahead and try those products out and kind of give you guys my thoughts and everything like that. But before we get into this video and get into the whole shebang, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and follow me on all of my other social media platforms so you guys can stay updated with me. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now we can get to this video. Alright you guys, so eyes are primed and brows are done. For brows, I use my MAC spiked brow pencil, and then for my base, you guys should already know my P. Louise base in shade 2. If an eyeshadow palette doesn't go great with this base, then the shadow is not good. So eyes are good. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat the base just a little bit to take off that creasing. The palette that I'm going to be using today is the Colouredraine Queen of Hearts palette. This isn't a new palette. This palette has been out for a very long time, and it's one of their really popular ones. So went ahead and used, I'm going to go ahead and use this palette. I think I actually want to go in and do something really smoky, like really smoky chocolate. I really want to try this shade here, so that's what we're gonna go for. We're gonna do something really easy and go in with a chocolate look, you know, really nice smoky type of eye. I don't think I've really done smoky eyes, like neutral smoky eyes, on my channel. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I did use this palette once already before, so I can say from the shadows that I have used, which I've only used like 3 of them, from the ones that I've used, they are really nice and pigmented, and they do blend out nicely. I'm actually going to take a Ladyship, let me show my frame here. I'm going to take Ladyship and Princess and just mix those two together. And we're just going to go in and blend this everywhere. Like just giving it like an all over color. Like Ladyship would be a little bit too purpley for what I want to do, but I do want to kind of like, you know, give a little bit of color, not keep it completely just chocolate. So yeah, we're just gonna put this all over. Just as you can see, just kind of really just blending it all over the eye here. And those two shades together are really pretty. Princess definitely kind of like toned it down a bit, so that's good. Alright, so I'm just gonna take Duchess, this one here, which is the chocolate shade, and I'm gonna put this right into the crease, and we're gonna like really deepen the crease with this and pack it on. But yeah, mine was pretty good. And who shopped for Black Friday? I definitely shopped for Black Friday. Colouredraine actually started theirs earlier, so I started like my Black Friday shopping on a Tuesday. And I purchased, you know, the things that I'm actually going to use here from them. And then I think that was it from what I purchased as far as like deal wise from that Tuesday. And then on Thanksgiving night, I actually went onto the Jeffree Star website and I copped my ultimate, was it the ultimate? I think it was the ultimate, called the Ultimate Mystery Box. I did get that. which actually already shipped. So that should be coming this week. Dethrone. I said dethrone. Dethrone this one here. And I'm going to try with a brush first. See how that works out. And then if not, then I'll go ahead and take, I'll use my fingers. So I'm just going to take a brush here. Ew, that's pretty. So I definitely don't need to spray it. And I definitely do not need to put it with my finger. So I'm gonna just do the other eye off camera, and then we'll come back and do like the under eye and stuff. So let me go ahead and do this one. Touches again, which is that dark chocolate shade, and I'm gonna blend it in with that block. Take Ladyship and Princess, mixing those two together, and then we're gonna bring that a lot lower. Slightly connecting. Now, what I wanted to do was, I'm going to take the shade Crown, which is a white shimmery shade. And I actually want to place this right here in the center. Like so. Just like that. I'm going to go back in with that brown shade just to make sure everything's blended. The brown shimmer shade. Also take that same shade. I'm gonna pop it right here just to open the eye. Alright you guys, so eyes are pretty much done. Now we're going to go ahead and put on lashes. And Colouredraine actually has lashes. I didn't even know they had lashes until they tweeted about it. And I was like, oh, honey, yes, I have to get me some. So these are in the style CR032. And this is what they look like here. I think I'm going to do really big dramatic ones. Just because it is a very like just smoky eye. It's not like anything that is detailed. So big lashes you definitely can do. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And they're very comfortable. They're not like heavy or anything like that. They're not poking me or anything. Like these feel really nice. So eyes are done, and next thing I'm going to try is the Beauty Bakery Cake Fix Foundation. This is a demi matte foundation. It is vegan, long-lasting, and non-acnegenic formula. And when I swatched this on my live, I already pumped some on my hand. When I swatched this on my live, it did oxidize, and it just started to turn like orange. So I hope it's not the case for my face. This does look like a really good match. Oxidized just a little bit, not a lot at all. Like how on my hand, I don't know if you guys can see, on my hand it looks really like orange, but on my face it doesn't. Like on my face it's like a really nice match. And then I'm actually going to use the flower powder. I did purchase it. I don't really use powders anymore, especially like to bake or anything like that. But for some reason mine, I got foundation on my pants. name, whatever. As of lately, my forehead and the creasing on my under eye has been really bad. I don't know if it's just like the lack of hydration or what, but yeah. So I'm just gonna apply this on the under eye. Ooh, that just like disappeared. It just like melted in the skin. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Ooh, this is, and it feels so like velvety. Ooh. Alright, so I really like the flower powder. This, like, oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh, if you guys can feel my skin right now, like, it feels like butter. Like, it feels so soft and velvety. Like, this is some good powder. And I don't even look like I have powder on my face. That's the crazy part. Like, what did y'all put in this? Because this powder, Beauty Bakery, this powder is bomb. Like, that powder is really, really good. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me grab my contour powder. I'm gonna grab next. We're gonna go in with the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey palette. I did swatch and use this on my live, and you guys, we were blinding. So I'm gonna take Queen Bean, which is like the bronzy shade, and we're gonna just put her right here. And it did come with a brush. I got the set that came with the brush. Can you guys see that? Use Spoiler Alert, which is the lighter shade, and put that like on the high points, like right there. Look at that. Like, this brush is so perfect. Look at that. So I have Spoiler Alert here, and then on the rest of the cheek, just to make it really glow. When I smile, you can see it on the apples. This brush though, like, it's perfect because it just hugs right there at the top of your cheekbone. I'm just blending it a lot better. And then we're just gonna put her here and there. This is the palette. This is what it looks like here. So I took this one, which is Queen Bean, with Spoiler Alert right here. And then you got like your pinky shade and your peachy shade. But y'all, I'm glowing. Just glowing. So I actually want to use the use this one. This is the Colouredraine liquid lips in Tootsie. So I'm gonna take Jante Blue, and it's called Brown Sugar. And just gonna use this to outline the lip.
Hey, Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy, where did purple spider go? Where did purple spider go?
I don't know.
Where is the sister, Mommy?
Alright, so lips are lines. I'm gonna go ahead and take Tootsie. Ooh. These liquid lips are very pigmented. Alright, so the lip is on, and the last thing to do is set this beat face, and using my Gerard Cosmetics Sale Date Setting Spray. I do have an affiliate code with them where I do get a small commission if you guys use it, and it is down below. So if you guys do want to use the code, you do get 30% off, and the code is rosevmua, and again I will have it listed down below with all of my other affiliate codes that again I do get a small commission from when you use it. But before my laptop dies, this is the final look. I do love everything that I tried. This look is simply bomb, as you guys can see. Like, I'm really enjoying it. Like, and these lashes, like, can we take a second for these lashes? Like, seriously, they are bomb.com. Had to put some liner there just to marry the two, just like that. But yeah, like, the lashes are freaking amazing. If you guys have not tried Colouredraine lashes, make sure you go ahead and do so, because these are bomb. These are really nice, and they were cheap too. They weren't really expensive at all. The stuff from Beauty Bakery, since I have everything on my face, the foundation has not oxidized as much as it has on my hand. Like, if you guys see here, my hand's like seriously orange, but it has not done that. Like, on my face, like, it definitely just melts in and just matches my skin. And this Milk and Honey palette, baby, this is definitely gonna be like my new favorite palette, my new favorite highlighting palette. Like, can we just take a second? Can we just take a second? Because I'm glowing, okay? And then for the liquid lipsticks, these are really pigmented and very comfortable. They don't feel like drying on the lips. I actually don't feel them on my lip, which is a good thing, because that means that they're not heavy and they're not gonna like dry out my lips a lot. So that's a really good thing. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I did try. Again, I do love the products that I have on. And then this flower powder, you guys definitely get it if you are someone who definitely loves setting powders and needs setting powders. I think I'm gonna go back to using setting powders just because of this. Like, it's really good. But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and me trying out this stuff. And if you do happen to purchase any of these items, or have purchased anything else from Beauty Bakery or Colouredraine that I have not mentioned here, please let me know. That way I can go ahead and purchase those items on my own. Just leave the comment down below and let me know. And if you're not subscribed, don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. And again, as always, follow me on all of my other social media platforms. That way you guys can stay updated with me on all the looks that I do that you don't see here on YouTube. And that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.